Can you just say, speak something? So I'll just check the mic.
How are you?
Yeah, fine. Okay. So I wanted to know, Auntie, how was Ankit when he was a kid? You can look at me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Ankit's been a very cautious kid. Always, always. He'll take long time to learn something new, but he'll be very steady and he'll take it easy in the beginning. He'll never just come first in the first go. So I think that's what I remember about Ankit the most. Very naughty in his school, very would always make fun of his teachers, his doctors, everybody. He has a great sense of humor.
Any such incident you remember where he made fun of someone? It can be anything.
I once went to the school to pick him up, and it was the last period, and I was standing outside his classroom. And the minute the teacher would look towards the board to write something, he would be the only one standing and pulling faces, making fun of her. And the minute she turned around, and I was like, well, that's why this kid is doing so badly in maths. It's because he's just not interested in this period. So, besides that, I can't really think of anything else right now.
Okay. So we'll go more back. The time when he was born. Like, what was the feeling when you took him the first time in your
Yeah,
arms?
Ankit was my firstborn, and I think every mother sees whether the hands and the fingers are perfect and how he looks. And he was a very cuddly baby. Wouldn't sleep all through night. He would be up initially. So I had my second son very quickly after Ankit, so they grew up together. So for me, they were always, you know, I always grew up two kids. It wasn't like I had Ankit for too long, just a year and a half. So it was, and they have a great bonding.
His brother name is Anush.
Anush, yeah.
So how will you describe their relationship together? How were they as a kid? Like,
Yeah.
were they naughty? They used to fight.
Yes, all kids fight, and they still have their fights. It's like the yin and the yang, and they complement each other. They are forever at each other's throats also. Now I feel as they get their spouses, they keep up with their own relationship as strongly, always. And Ankit has been the elder brother in many ways. He would nag his younger brother very often. But also when they are in distress, in trouble, they know Bhai is just a phone call away. That's what I love about both the children. Yeah.
So, what is the best thing about Ankit, according to you?
Ankit is very sincere, very loyal, and he does everything very sincerely. That's what I love about him. And he can calm me down very well. And he's never had a wavering mind. He was very focused about what he wanted to do, but maybe it takes a little longer to kind of get into that determination phase, but once he gets there, he'll deliver very quickly.
So, how he used to calm you down? I wanted to know about that.
So many things. Sometimes, you have issues with any other family member, so he'll come and he'll say two words, and well, I'll be out of it. Women are more emotional than men, so I think just that. So he has his ways of making me always see the other side of the picture, and then I'll forget about everything.
And how do you think he is as a person?
He's a very warm person. he's had very good friendships all through. Last night I was so happy to see all his friends right through KG to class 12. They are all there with him with their spouses. So, and as I told you, he's very loyal to his friends. I am. And
Okay, so when he was in college, how was he like then? Like,
as naughty as usual, never focused on working. He never wanted to come first in anything. He knew he would get through, but he has a very sharp mind, I think. So, and he does his work very well. And I think in school and college, Ankit just enjoyed himself. He did well, but I never saw him take a lot of strain on himself to prove that I have to get the marks. He always told me that marks don't get you anywhere.
he
It's
knows
the
what
learning.
he is doing.
Yes, he knows what he's doing.
And when was the first time you came to know about Anuja?
So I saw Anuja at my place the first time and I really loved her. So I knew she was special because she was standing and smiling at me, and I knew कि बहुत कुछ हो चुका होगा अब जो ये घर आई है. So after that it was a little stretched out. It was quite slow, and only last year I started pushing him whether to know if he was settled in his mind, and it was Anuja he wanted to marry, and then we got them engaged. So Ankit's been like that. He'll take his time to figure out things.
Okay, and how is he to you?
Oh, he's everything to me. In what sense?
Like a first kid. Now,
Yeah.
how are you feeling that he's going to get married?
Married.
Yeah.
Well, as a...
Just one second.
Yeah.
Just a lot of harsh like. Yeah, it's better.
I'm
Yeah.
feeling very blessed that Ankit has found a life partner, and Anuja is a very nice girl, and I'm kind of a little relieved. Now I'm going to be on the back seat. So I just wish them a lot of happiness, lot of love together, and my feelings are complete. I'm just very happy for them.
And any advice or warning for
Anuja?
yeah, as you know Ankit so well.
अनुजा को चाबी देते रहना पड़ेगा. So I think that's it. That's what Ankit needs all the time. Needs somebody to push him a little.
And about Anuja, like, how do you think she is as a person?
So I find Anuja to be, she has a lot of strength in her. She has a strong core, and she's very focused in what she's doing. And but other than that, what I love about her is how she keeps herself, she weaves herself into everybody's heart. Like she was in the US, and my brothers and my sister are in the US, so she somehow kept everybody in the loop, and she went and visited them and tell them, when she was coming back, she made sure she saw each one of them. So I think that I really love about Anuja, and I hope she'll keep all the relationships very alive and very connected, because I think that's a very important quality of a woman, because it's not what men work at, it's what women can work at.
And do you think in any way Anuja will affect Ankit in a positive way? Like how will she can like change Ankit to a better self, or how they are together?
Yeah. So I'm sure they will both complement each other, and I think Anuja may be able to help him focus better, make him more assertive about or make him a little more serious about what he wants, which he kind of, takes it very easy. And at the same time, I think that Ankit will have a very calming effect on Anuja also. So he'll help her settle down quickly.
And now when you see them together as a
Yeah.
couple, like you saw them yesterday dancing
Yeah,
together and
yeah.
enjoying together, like as a mother, what do you feel that time? Like, because I saw you were looking at them again and again, so
Yeah, I feel so happy, so blessed. Dancing is also all about your body chemistry, so I think they're doing well. I haven't seen Ankit dance so much earlier, so I was so happy.
maybe after Ankita.
After Anuja, yes,
That just makes
maybe. No, that's okay.
Yeah. Okay, and your final message for them as a couple,
My final message for
or an
them.
advice for beginning a new life.
Yeah, be deaf sometimes. It works both ways. So love each other. Know that we all have our limitations, we all have our negativities, but at the same time, be there for each other also. That's very important all the time. और छोटी बातों को जाने दो बस.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.